So you've just got to try not to overthink things, because everyone's in the same boat, no matter how much experience you've had. We just want to make a good song at the end of the day.
I went to a music university, somewhat like Point Blank. So I am a big person about getting an education in music. This is a specialty school. You're not going to find it everywhere at every university.
Honestly, I love this school. I always wanted to study at this school, actually.